Hey, everybody. We are really excited. We have a brand new line. Well, it's not totally brand new. We've had it before, but it's been a very long time. We're going to do a little unboxing video today. This line's called Ivy Jane. And there's another division of it too in the box I'll tell you about when we get to it. These things will be online at some point here soon at marigoldclothing.com. But of course, you can shop in store anytime, Monday through Saturday, 11 to 5. Let's look at this new collection. It is so new. I don't even have prices for you yet, but it's really cute. This is this little puff sleeve heathered cotton sweatshirt. And the thing I love about this is the gold with that pink embroidery work. So cute. I'm ready for fall. I don't know about you guys, but I love this. They come small through large. So that's this cute little piece here. Put it on the hanger. So that's style number one. Style number two, look at this cute jacket. It is a textured woven cotton with that cool collar, this really cool button puff sleeve. You have an inverted pleat in the back. I said it's a jacket. It's not. It's a pullover top. That's what happens when you unbox it and you don't even know what you're unboxing. So a cute little blouse style to take you into fall. It is cotton. It's not overly heavy. You're not going to wear it on 90-degree days, but it would be a great piece for evening wear. Just a really, really fun style. And then, of course, there's the Frida jacket. So the other division is called Sister Mary. The Sister Mary pieces come small, medium, or medium large. This is 100% cotton. It's this little bolero jacket. I am wearing a vintage Johnny Was dress from like 8 years ago, but you get the idea of what it looks like. Look, there's Frida. She's looking at you. So cute. Such an easy thing to wear. This is the medium large. So check it out online. There's a couple of more styles I'm going to show you in our unboxing video. Next up are these really cool pants, elastic all the way around. There are inseam pockets here, seams down the front. You have patch pockets on the seat. This is a medium that I'm holding up. I'm loving this sort of pumpkin orange color, and it goes great with all of these pieces. You could do it with the Frida jacket. You could do it with this little blouse here. Great coloring together. And one more piece. True unboxing, still in the plastic. Is the same pant, but in a blue denim. Really cute. We're excited to have a new collection here in the store. It's something a little different to take us into fall. I'm pretty sure that is all of the new styles. I'll just do a quick little dig. Yeah, that's it. All right, if you have questions, give us a call. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.